PNC mobile banking app, how to log in. If you want to log into the PNC mobile banking app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the PNC mobile banking application here, and once done you can say welcome to the PNC mobile app. So here you have to select yes but I don't have user ID, no but I'm interested, or yes I want to sign in. So if you already have an account, just tap on yes I want to sign in. Then all you have to do here is just simply make sure to enter your user ID of your PNC mobile banking account. Then make sure to choose and enter your password. Then tap on the sign in option, and if your credentials are correct you'll be successfully signed in. Now if you happen to forget your password, then you can tap on the reset password option here. Then once done you'll be able to reset your password successfully. If you have not enrolled but you want to enroll, then you can also click on the enroll option here, and then you'll be able to enroll for your mobile or online banking. And then this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into PNC Bank mobile banking. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.